Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmed from Shakzi.com and welcome in lecture number 17. Today's we are going to cover the return type. So first of all, what is the return type? Using by calling any functions. So in previous lectures you learned how can you pass your arguments by calling a particular function. So there are two type of functions. You can see add and multiplication. You can always write as many as functions you needed. It's totally depend upon your need, because it can reduce your code. First of all, if you are adding these, if you always add two values, so because you are performing the same operations again and again inside your script, so why you need to write again and again, why you need to repeat the again and again script inside your file or inside your project. So this is a best practice. If you are if you need any script, okay यार यहाँ से काट देना, यहाँ से लेना. Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmed from Shakzi.com and welcome in lecture number 17. Today we are going to start the return statement, or we are going to view this return statement. So what is the return statement? In previous lectures you learned how can you pass the argument, and now you are familiar with functions. So a function is a block of a script. You can use that script inside your entire application or entire website or entire page or entire file. So you have function add, you have functions multiplication. You can call function again and again by calling the function name. Okay, so now what is the return type? For suppose I'm saying I'm performing a functions, then when I call that functions, I return a value. For suppose I'm saying I have add method. Now I'm returning this value. In this time I'm saying return. Okay, when you call this add method and you have to pass two arguments. First of all, the x and y. For suppose 2 2. Okay, we are adding two values. Now go to your page, refresh the page. Nothing is happened because you are calling this method and not method, function. You are calling these functions and you are returning the value. For suppose you are adding two variables and you are saving the result of two variables inside this result variables, and you are returning the results. So you can store this result, or you can just echo out. First of all, you can see it's returning 4. So since it's returning 4, you can add this result inside your any variable. For suppose I'm saying result, and now I'm going to call the multiplication. So I'm sending the result variable, and now I'm saying please multiply with 4. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you are calling a function add functions, it's returning the result, and you are sending the same result which we have just returned from the add method, and you are calling the multiplication method. So what is the body of method? So make sure this is the body of your method. So it receives two parameters, so that's why you have to send two parameters. If you are sending one parameter, it will give you the error. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see missing arguments 2 for multiplications, because you are saying that two arguments you are receiving whenever someone called this method. Okay, so now you have to send two arguments by separating the comma. First argument, this is second argument. So now you can see 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Since you are returning the value, that's why you are sending the value here. Okay, so in this way you can create the return type, or you can create a function which return a particular value. For suppose you can directly call this method here. Now what's going on? You are calling a method. For suppose you are calling a method because you are returning a value. So by calling this method, you always return a single value. So this is your single argument and this is your second argument. Refresh the page. So now you can see it's saying 16 because 2 plus 2 4 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. So now you can see 3 plus 3 is 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So in this way you can create functions which can return, which may return a value. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.